Let us see how to write a program to check a string for palindrome. First, we will write without functions, and then we will convert this program into functions. So first, inside the main, I have declared character array for storing the string, and I have taken the indexes I, j, and length for storing the length, and flag for checking whether it is a palindrome or not. First, I will be displaying a message, enter the string, and I initialize the value of index I to 0, and I will be reading the string until I enter a new line by using while str of I++ is equal to getChar not equal to \n and semicolon. Here, what does it do here is it reads the character and then it assigns to the str of I, and it will be compared against \n, which is a new line. If it is not a new line, then it is again reads, and after the storing of character which is read, I will be incremented. So to store the next character, so it will be reading a character, storing it into the index I and increments I and compares against the new line. Until it is not new line, it will keep on storing the characters read into the str array. So this is what the statement for reading the string, and since I will be incremented already, so I -1 we will be storing the null character, because we have to terminate the string by null character when we are using a printf %s. It will print until a new \0. So I will be storing at the index I -1, and I will be decremented, or you can store length is equal to I -1, whichever is appropriate. So I will be decrementing I, and length will be equal to I, and I will be printing the message read string is %s str. So now this %s will be reading the string at str of 0, 1 until it encounters a null. So it will keep on printing the character at str of 0, 1, 2 until some index where the character will be the new line. Not new line, it is a null character. And also I have stored the length into the variable length, which will be printed here using printf length of %s is %d str and length. Now because I want to check for palindrome, I will keep one index which points to the beginning of the string and another index which points to the end of the string. So here I have used a for loop for checking that. So for I equal to 0, comma j equals to length -1. The last character will be stored at the index length -1. So first I will be initializing I as a front pointer and j as the back pointer. And this will be compared, the first index will be compared with the length by 2, because at the middle I have to stop it. And the front index should be incremented and back index should be decremented, which is mentioned here by I++ and j -. Then I'll be checking if str of I not equal to str of j, it means front and first and last indexes, if they are not same, it means it is not a palindrome. So I'll be changing the flag and break. So this is the if statement which forms the body of your for. Only if it is not equal, it changes the flag and terminates. And otherwise the flag will be 0, which indicates that it is a palindrome. So this is the body of your for statement, and outside the for statement I will be comparing the flag. So if flag, it indicates that if flag is equal to 1, it means the string is not a palindrome, otherwise the string is a palindrome. So let us run this program and check the output. So suppose I enter the string madam. It has to give the red string is madam and madam is a palindrome. Suppose I enter some other string which is not a palindrome. Suppose it is RBCA. Then you will see that the RBCA is not a palindrome. So now how do we convert this into a function program? So let us write a function void is palindrome is palin, and I will be passing the character array, which is a string. Now this will form my body of the, so here I will be calling is palin str. and I will terminate, return 0. So this is my main function, and this will be my void is palin and character array. The name of the character array is str, and inside this I'll be declaring the required variables, integer I, j, length. So here if you want to pass the length, you can pass it, integer length, and here also I need to change the prototype integer. So while calling I have to pass the length also. So ij length is there, and flag also I have to assign here, flag equals to 0, and here there is no need of flag, the length is required and j is not required. So here ij length flag everything is there. So here there is no need of return, just printing that. So now we'll check out str is there, str of I is there, flag is there, all variables are there, then we'll run it. So here length we declared a different kind of symbol. So here line number 23. Okay, because already length is passed, so there is no need of length declaration again. Enter the string, madam, it is palindrome, and RBCE is not a palindrome. So you can check with any other string, so you'll be getting the proper answer. Thank you.